Remove the dust cover and tuck it inside the cushion. Remove the headrest. Position the side with the airbag label facing the car door. Unzip, then slip the cover over the backrest. Adjust the holes for headrest. Attach the fixing chucks. Tuck it. Tuck the dust cover into the seat back cover. Pull the chucks out. Zip up. Unfasten the fasteners and put on the baserest seat covers. Tuck them into the seat gap. Thread the buckle through the adjustment rod under the seat. Fasten the buckle and tighten the elastic strap. Use the large trim tool F to push elastic straps into the gap between the outer seat plastic trim. Use cable tie D to easily retrieve straps from under the seat. Hook it. Tighten the tension strap and tie it in a knot. Hook the fastener under the seat. Fit the headrest cover and reinstall the headrest. Install the armrest cover. First, remove the headrest. Fit the backrest cover. Remember to pull the seat belt through. Adjust the openings of the headrest. Fasten the buckles and pull them tight. Fit the cushion cover and buckle up. Attach it. Tighten the cord by tying a knot. Complete the installation on the other side by following the method used for the left side. Pull the seat adjustment strap out through the opening. Fit the headrest cover and reinstall the headrest properly.